I'm not going to show you guys the materials that I got. Oh my god. I am so excited. Hey guys, good morning and welcome to a new vlog. So today I'm going out. I'm going to Maraba, or yeah, I think it's Maraba Market, and I want to get fabrics. So the thing is, guys, I always shop my fabrics from Wuse Market, Gariki Market here in Abuja. But lately things have actually been very expensive. And for my channel, my content is basically making clothes. So if I have to be like buying things like that, I don't know how it's going to be. But I just want to try out Maraba Market and see how things will be. If things will be actually cheaper than Wuse, then obviously I can buy in bulk, and then whenever I need materials, I can just pick up from what I've bought and then I'll use it. So I'm going to be going with Gloria today. I taught Gloria how to sew, and I'm so grateful for Gloria. Gloria has been very helpful to me. She takes my pictures. Like whenever I call Gloria, Gloria will answer me. So you guys will see her soon. I'm going to head out now to meet her, and I don't even have any energy for stress today. So I'm going to be carrying my hair like this. I just made this hair newly. I'm not even wearing earrings. Maybe I need to get smaller earrings because I'm always buying all these big earrings, all these fashionable earrings, but I don't have small earrings. Maybe if I get there and I'm able to get small earrings, then I'm going to get small earrings. So I'll catch you guys. Bye. Hi guys. No, wait.
How did you not do it? Like, they'll drop you by that side.
Hi guys. Yes, they dropped me that side and I walked. Yes. Hi guys. So I'm with Gloria now, and we're going to fight. We're going to market. Your mom will say, I fell off Oja. I fell off Oja.
We are going to fight for materials.
It looks good. How much for this material? 1.3.
I want you to make that yoga.
Which? Oh. Ah, it's not plain.
It's not fancy.
Gloria, you're a thief. Just carry gun and shoot them and collect the clothes. This one is like nightgown material. Don't allow him to convince you. But this one is really cute.
This is nice. This color is
But it's thick.
And this
It
one
should
is
be for like, because nobody is
because you say it's thick.
one day why not? That's it. I say you should not allow him to hear say.
What can somebody do this? Just let me go through my phone. Come on, my money will not
All
finish
these
today.
gowns that
I wish we could even buy.
So guys, we're done at the first place, and oh god, I feel tired already, but aluta continua. Kò ní sú mi, kò ní rẹ̀ mí. But the way they'll be doing in Abuja, they will be doing as if they are doing you a favor. Good morning. I'm so shocked because there is a lot of things here. They even have sewing materials here. I feel like say I don't get stuck where would they come buy my materials. They even said and in Abuja, if you go to Garika, they will be like, no, they're doing you a favor. They're not serious. Yes, guy. If it was that one guy, would have seen Shaggy, because that guy was not smiling with us. Guys, we're almost done. I'm exhausted. So like this, they are saying that their materials are not plenty, and see everywhere is fabric. They are saying we used to be many here. My lips are dry. Please give me gloss. They are saying that people used to be many here, and their material is always full. That must be a lot. If I saw many people here, Thank you. I'll be very tired. I will not even feel like um, I'm exhausted. So I want to check for sewing supplies like lining, haste tape. If it's cheap here, then I'll buy. But if it's not cheap, it's the same thing as Abuja now. Abi, as the not like this place is not Abuja. This place is Abuja or Bob. It's the same thing as if it's the same thing as buying in town, then there's no point. Abi,
Doesn't make sense.
I will not be carrying load. Anyway,
Kind
I will just buy so that I will not be going out again.
of. Okay, that one's so.
I'm exhausted like this. Coming to the market is not something I like at all at all. It's time consuming. Hi guys, so I am back to the house. I was so tired at the market. So when I came back, I quickly ate bread and peanut butter, and now I feel fine. I feel strong again. I did wait before I went to the market. Anyway, I'm going to be showing you guys what I bought from the market. So imagine this is how big my bag is from the market. Okay, so I'm going to start with the things that I got. I like unboxing things, even though it's not like a proper unboxing. I just like opening things up on camera. So first, I got this like lining that used to be 250 naira is now 500 naira for both Aba lining and MP4. Both of them are now 500. Before, Aba lining even used to be cheaper. Aba lining was like 200 naira, but now Aba lining is 500 naira. Okay, things are not smiling. Like if you are a tailor, I want to sew for people. If you like, be charging 5k 2k. Now you sabi o. So that's how much I bought Aba lining. Then I got zips, like 5 zips. I got new scissors because my scissors is already getting dead. I got this big hemming gum. I always use it. I like using hemming gum. Hemming gum helps your sewing project to be really neat. That's why I like using it. So I got this big size. This one was 700. I'm not going to show you guys the materials that I got. Oh my god. I am so excited. I'm going to have new clothes because see, I'm not going to show you guys the materials that I got. Oh my god. I am so excited. I'm going to have new clothes because see, once I make a new dress like this, a new outfit I really like, I will wear the outfit. I will wear shaggy. Thank god I now have many clothes. So as soon as I make tutorials for you guys, I'm also going to be having new clothes without spending money on clothes. So this is the first one. I actually don't know what I'm going to do with this one already, with this one yet, but it's either 2-piece or a long gown. You know those maxi gowns are just free. Yes, that's the vibe that this one gave me when I saw it. And it's not that thick, it's actually very light. I got this was for 700 for 4 years. That's like 2,800 if I was to buy it here in Abuja. Or they will sell it to me like cheapest. They will say 1,500 naira. They help me new. They will not say that this thing. They will say that they are helping you. So I got this material very very cheap and I'm so excited and I really like it. It's fine. See, one thing about material is that it's not about how expensive it is. If it's not Ankara has grades, but all these type of materials is mostly like you should have good eyes, and then you should be able to know that okay, this thing when I touch it, does it feel like it is quality? That's it. But all these type of materials, before I think we used to buy them like 500 or very very cheap. Before, I don't know, it just skyrocketed and everything is now over the roof. I don't understand what's going on. So this is the next one that I got. This one is like a silk material, but it's also very light. So when we got there, the owner of the shop was saying, hey, it's 1,500 naira. He was really carrying face for us. I don't know if he saw us in his dream. Maybe we offended him. I don't understand. But anyway, guys, we were able to get this for after I now told one of the guys that means 1,000 naira that I have. Oh. So when he measured it was like 3 yards. It was 3.5 yards. Then it was 9 minutes. I told him that it's 3.5 years I'm paying for, and it's 1,000 naira that I have. So yeah, I accepted, and I got this fabric for 3.5. Look at it, very beautiful. This one is giving me gown, maybe gown. I actually like 2-piece, you guys. Like, I really really love 2-piece because 2 pieces are just really easy to wear. Just wear your trousers, wear your top, and get out of here. Way. So I got this one as well. This one, I don't know what I'm going to do with this yet, but it's giving me top. But then the only issue is now that this is like 2 years and my tops are usually like 1.5 years. Maybe I'll just make a top with this and probably just make something for somebody, maybe a child with the remaining half yard or something. But I don't know. But I really liked it. It really caught my attention and it was very, very attractive. Oh my god, you guys are not going to believe this one. This one was expensive. This one was like 1,500 naira for 1 yard, but it's really fine. Look at it. As soon as I saw this one, I just fell in love. I'm like, you know what, I have to buy it. So I got it. I bought it. Look at it. This one, I don't really know what I'm going to do with it yet. Maybe 2-piece. I don't know. When the time comes, I will know. So this one was 700 naira for a yard, and I want to make like a top with it because I made one top. I'm going to put it on the screen, and you people have been asking me. In fact, the 2-piece outfit, people have been saying that I should do the 2-piece, and I did the trouser. Somebody still texted me that I should make the top, so I'm like, okay, I will make the top. So this one is for that top. What else do we have? Okay, these ones are I'm about to show you guys. So these ones I'm about to show you guys are actually very, very cheap. These are the ones that we got first. This is a red material. I got this one for 1,000 naira and I got 3 years of it. It's very, very fine. It's almost like I went to go and slap them at the market. Who cares? And lastly, guys, I got this one. This one is giving me, so this is the chiffon that I got with it. Look at what it looks like. Very beautiful. This one is giving me top and trouser. Look at it. So this trouser, I'm taking maybe something big, like Papa Palazzo, those big pants, maybe something with pleats or something. I don't know. That's what's giving me. And then a very nice and simple top. So the total that I spent at the market today was, I spent 113.5. I spent 5,900 and I spent 4,000. What's the mass? I'm going to put it on the screen. So that's the total that I spent at the market today, and I have plenty materials. See, if I was to go to Wuse or where Gariki, they will say it's 2,000 naira for 1 yard of clothes. So that's like I'm going to be buying 10 yards, but I have a lot here, guys. I have a lot to create for you guys. So in case you're in Abuja, you might want to check out Maraba for your materials. Although it's not everything that is cheap now. Like this one now, the normal price that I used to sell this in Wuse or Gariki was like 1.5, or yes, was 1.5. Or if you're lucky in Gariki, I used to get them for like 1,200 naira. But now I don't know how much they will say they're selling, because things have obviously increased and they would have increased their prices. So yes, just check out Maraba if you can. Yes, thank you guys so much for watching. Did you like this video? Let me know if you like this video so that I can make more videos like this, so I'll carry you guys along my day. And also, I'm very, very happy that I not even wearing wig as I was going. Like, I just felt like a free girl. And today, the weather today was very, very calm. If you do not know, the heat in Nigeria calm. Fry somebody. Is it fry? I be to make you melt. I don't know. But the heat is not smiling with anybody at this moment. Like, the heat is so much. But thankfully today, the weather was so calm. Everywhere is cool. There's no heat. Maybe it's because it's about to rain. Anyway, guys, that's all for this video. If you like this video or you want me to do more of this kind of videos, give me a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I make a lot of sewing videos. If you would like to see how to make your own dresses, make sure you follow me, subscribe to my channel, watch all my videos. If you like all these, chic outfits, girl, my channel is for you. Subscribe. And let me show you guys what I'm wearing anyway. This is what I'm wearing. It's like a jumpsuit and the neck is like this. So guys, subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.